I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to organize this video, if I should do it by product type. I think I'm going to do it by store. Okay, yeah, I'm going to do this by store. The first purchase that I want to talk about is from KKW Fragrance, and it is a refill of the Crystal Gardenia. I love her packaging, by the way, because it is so clean. You know what I mean? Like, this is just one color, and then the box is matte, the label is shiny. This is in Crystal Gardenia, and it just comes in. It's the same perfume you've seen me talk about this before. I got this for Valentine's Day, and I'm already using a new bottle. I spray so much because it's not overpowering. Before I put my jewelry on, I apply it on my neck, on the back of my neck, in my hair, on my inside of my elbows, on my wrists, all on my body. It just smells so good. I can definitely use less. It's just not one of those perfumes that's like overpowering and offensive. I'm just really heavy-handed, so I had to repurchase this, and I'm really excited about it because as it came in the mail, I ran out of my first bottle, so it was perfect timing. I have like a subscription to Lily lashes, so I get these monthly. These are the Lily lashes in faux mink MYKONOS. I think that they are more glam, so like real faux. Real mink is like really fluffy and light, you know, but faux mink, like I feel like it's thicker, like strands of hair, so it just looks like that much more glam, like kind of like extra, and I really like them. I get these every month anyway, but I ran out. I have other lashes, but just nothing is as glam and as just like me and just really out there and extra as these. First world problems. I was really struggling without my faux mink MYKONOS. I actually purchased 2 of these, the ones that I'm wearing right now, and then this box right here. I got this in addition to my monthly subscription. You can use them about like 20 times or so, so like I should probably make the subscription 2 pairs a month instead of just the 1. I always feel like I'm running out, and I really like to have these on deck. I like Nordstrom so much better than Sephora because the reward system is so much better. So I got a refill of the Laura Mercier Secret Blurring Powder. This is just that white powder that I apply to the under eye, and it is just blurring. It's white, it doesn't come off that way. It's really blurring, and I just love this on the under eye. It doesn't look cakey, like it just sets my under eye and keeps it bright under there. When you have brightness right here, it just adds so much dimension to your face and just makes you look really alive, and I love it. People my age have like filler right here. I just have Secret Blurring Powder. These 2 brushes I already own, but I wanted to purchase them because I've had them for 8 years now, and it's just now starting to wiggle on me. So I purchased the Sigma E40. This is the brush that I use on my transition, and I love this brush so much. This just goes in the transition area so perfectly. It is wide and it's synthetic hair, so this just disperses the color. These are synthetic brushes, so they don't soak up any product or anything like that, and it just applies a light wash. It doesn't have any harsh edge. It gives you a really blended look. After like 7 or 8 years, the ferrule is just like a little bit starting to wiggle on my other brush. I just thought it was time to get a new one. Also, I got the E25, so this is a white brush. It's a smaller blending brush. I love this just for like defining the crease a little bit more with like a darker color. This is the perfect brush. I love this so much. My other one's not even breaking. I have 2 of these, but one of them is a short handle, so I just wanted 2 long handles. I don't know. I love this brush. And then I wanted to try out some new brushes, so this is the Sigma F04. This is a contour brush, but I just wanted this for foundation because when I apply my foundation to my whole face, there are just little areas that I want a lot more foundation on because I like a lot of product, you guys. I like full coverage. I like full glam. Basically, I bought this for like areas like the nose to apply like a second layer of foundation and just really concentrate it in the divots of the nose, you know, just really concentrate the foundation in that area, and then just also just throughout the face. I picked up the Sigma F77. This is a chisel and trim contour brush. I just use this underneath my contour to clean up. I use this for baking under the contour, on the nose. This is just another option for like a flat topped brush. Kind of looks like a paintbrush, but with really short bristles. I love these kinds of brushes. I just wanted to try Sigma's out, and I love it. Like I said, Nordstrom's rewards program is amazing. So because I purchased those products that are Sigma, I got for free E35, which I actually had in my cart, but they said that you would get one for free for purchasing the other brushes. So I took it out of my cart and it still was offered for free. So this is the E35. This is like if the 25 and the 40 had a baby kind of ish, you know? It's longer bristled like the E40, but it is rounded, shaped a little more like the 25. The 35 I used with my favorite eyeshadow ever, Uninterrupted, and I just applied this on the crease as well as the lid, and I just love these brushes. Also from Nordstrom, I purchased this. I forgot about this purchase while I was doing my makeup, so I did this like as an afterthought, but I do love this brush. This is by Tom Ford. This brush number is 04. It's a really flat, like, I don't know if it's like a contour brush, but I love how small it is. So I like bought this for like nose contour. I just think it's really nice. And then create the little divots right there, which I think are so cute. I don't know what they're called, but they're really cute. Have you seen Adriana Lima's nose? She has my dream nose. And because I purchased this brush, Nordstrom Rewards, for free, I got this lipstick in the color Casablanca. I think I already have one of these from last time I purchased Tom Ford from Nordstrom. I love the formula of Tom Ford lipsticks. One day I will purchase a full size one, but they give you free samples, so it's like I just enjoy those. I shopped a little bit on MACcosmetics.com. MAC is definitely one of my favorite brands of all time, so I just wanted to shop there and get a couple brushes and some eyeshadows. I just like having doubles of things I really love in case you lose them or whatever. This is the MAC 242 brush, and this is a synthetic flat brush. Perfect for packing color on the lid. I did not use this today because I don't have packed color, but I just love this, and I usually use this when I'm doing like a color on my lid, whether it's white or like if I'm actually brave enough to play with color one day. And if I do like a red smoky eye, if I do a cut crease or something, I love this brush. I just love this brush. And I don't think I talk about it enough because I don't do lid colors that often, but that is a really, really good brush. Also, I purchased the 195. So this is a concealer brush technically, I'm sure, but I just wanted this because it's flat on the side, but it's pointed at the top, and it's just perfect for applying brow bone highlight. My brows are so arched that I love having that pointed tip just to make the color concentrated right under the arch. It is the most flattering place to apply your brow bone highlight. If you apply brow bone highlight too low, it'll bring this part of your forehead out, and it won't be the look that's the most flattering. So this is really good for the brow bone. Then I purchased the 219. I wanted this for an inner corner highlight. I think my inner corner highlight is so concentrated, just exactly where I want it, and I love this brush for that, so that is what I'm going to use this brush for. I got some eyeshadows, some refills. I'm surprised I didn't get Uninterrupted. Every time I shop on MAC, I buy Uninterrupted, so I'm surprised I didn't this time. This is soft brown. I usually start my look off or end it with this color. This is the perfect transition shade. It is very neutral, and anybody can use this. Everybody should use this, no matter what you have going on your eye, because this isn't like to add to your look. This is to create like a contour in your crease so that your eye has depth and dimension, and then also this color smokes everything out and gets rid of all the harsh edges so that everything looks blended and beautiful. Also, I have Cork. This is a really beautiful, also neutral tone. This is one of the MAC must-haves. I don't know if I own this one, but this is a really good color. Back before she was Kim Kardashian West, I heard that she loved Cork, and her makeup is always amazing and neutral, which I love, so I got that. Also, I got another Swiss Chocolate because I love this color so much. It's like a reddish brown, but like muted, you know? It's not like red, and it's not brown, it's like a neutral, and it's so fun to smoke this out. I have soft brown and Cork as my transitions, but I use Swiss Chocolate, more concentrated, like a little bit lower. I love this color, and I smoked out my lower lashes with it. I don't have this color on today, but this is I'm Into It. This is a really beautiful, again, muted maroon shade. It's so pretty. This is like really pretty for the winter though. Spring started, so whoops, I'm a little late, but this is a beautiful color, and this I want on like my lid, just for like a really smoky purple look. I don't want like blue purple. Or like Purple Mountains Majesty. I love that like maroony shade. And then I have another Embark. This is just like that really beautiful, rich, dark brown I have in my crease. I love this color so much. It just adds so much depth, and it'll look good on all eye colors. All these eyeshadows will look good on any eye color. Also, I shopped on Ulta, I believe, and I'm pretty sure that these are from Ulta. So I'm doing laser hair removal, and you can't do your sessions if you have sunbed tanning. So I canceled my sunbed tans. So Shelly does my laser hair removal. She's also an esthetician, so she does like facials and all that, and she knows like what's good for you. She gave me a really hard time about tanning and like scared me really bad. So I don't think that I'm going to renew my tanning bed tans. This is the Loving Tan 2-Hour Express in Dark. I've done this before. I think it has such a beautiful, even color. It looks like a really good tan. It's really believable. I like this better than spray tans because you do it yourself and you won't miss a spot. So I like to do this, and then I learned this from Jaclyn Hill, and when she did it, she used the TROPEZ tanning mitt. I purchased this as well. I also have a makeup brush that I use for like other parts, but this is what I'm going to do tonight. I'm just going to tan. I miss being super tan. I don't leave it on for 2 hours. I leave it on forever. I'll probably do it now. It's 7 o'clock. I'll probably do it now and then just sleep in it and wash it off in the morning because I like being tan. Oh, you know what? Okay, so the last thing that I purchased, I actually purchased from Nordstrom also. They just have such a good rewards program. Whoops, but it was in its own package, so it's kind of like a different deal. But this is the T3 curling wand. This is the 1 1/4 inch barrel. I've heard so many good things about this curling iron. I just was tired of my curls not lasting. I used this on the 2nd setting. I did my hair 7 hours ago. Usually my curls don't even last 1 hour. I went through a lot today. I did a laser hair removal session on my legs and my underarms, so I was laying there for a while like on my hair, you know, but these curls last. They were so easy to do. I did my hair just the same as I always do. I tease and then I just run this through. I concentrate the heat on like the root of my hair for a couple seconds, and then I just slowly move it down and clamp it through the entire hair, and then I leave it on just for a couple seconds before I let go. My hair feels really smooth and it just looks glam. Like, it doesn't look fried. I think you can definitely tell a difference between this kind of curl and my like cheaper curling iron. Usually my curls don't look smooth. When I use my other curling iron, my hair feels crunchy. This, I just feel like it's falling really nice. I like how it looks right after I do it, which is rare. I like how it looks throughout the day. Like, I love my hair right now. Really rare for me to like my hair. If you know me, you know that like that's one of my least favorite things is just hair. I don't know how to do it and I don't know how to make it look nice, but this curling iron did all the work for me. I'm really glad I purchased it. It was expensive, but I think totally worth it. I'm really glad that my hair still feels smooth and it looks nice throughout the day. So that is it, you guys. That is my collective haul, old school YouTube style. I love makeup so much, you guys. I just love it. I love when I love something. I'm really glad that I filmed this like later in the day so I don't have just my first impression with this haul, but also like how much I like everything. This is a really good haul. Like, I'm always really lucky with my hauls, my first impressions or whatever, because I do so much research before I do any kind of purchasing. Let me know in the comments below if you guys end up purchasing anything or if you have any recommendations or took any of mine. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video.